Alright, so today I'll be showing you how you can make your speech to display on the screen. Just like what you're seeing now, my speech, what I'm saying is displaying on the screen. Yes, this is a simple thing to use. You don't have to pay for this. You don't have to use any AI for it. It is completely free. So today you will learn how you can do this. And why you need to learn this is because it boosts your engagement with your audience. Yes, sometimes they might find it difficult to get what you're trying to say. But when you're displaying your speech on the screen, just like what you're saying, it creates a kind of engagement with your audience. So today I'll be showing you how you can do that. So please don't skip any part of this video because you might just miss the most important part that you need to know. If you're new on this channel, if not subscribed, do this favor for me. Please hit on the subscription button, like this video, and drop your comment as well, and share with friends. You might be of a help to a friend that might need this for his own or her own content, and you can share with colleague. Sharing is caring anyway. And please don't forget to hit on the subscription button. While we dive in and see how you can edit your speech or how you can make words appear on the screen, just like I'm doing now. Thank you. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you do is you go for your editing uh, app. I'll be making use of Capcut because Capcut has this free version of it. But if you're using InShot, you have to pay because that feature is not free on InShot. So make use of Capcut. So after recording your video, then you go to new projects in your Capcut and you upload your new
Alright, so today I'll be
project, which
showing you
is
how
your
you
new
can make
video.
your speech to
So
display
here's
on
the
the
video.
screen. Speech.
All right, so you add it with just like this. So here's my video. Now you click on the
Alright, so
video.
today I'll be showing
You
you
see,
how you
this is
can
the
make
video
your
that I'm going to
speech to
use now. All right, so then you now click on the video. So once you click on the video, it will show you this step. You can see. So from here, you select English. You select English because you're using English. If you are not using English, you want to use other languages, you select it. Then you click generate. From it, you can see other template as well. So you click and you wait for it to generate to 100%. This is so lovely because all your speech will be generated. And if you feel like maybe the word you are using, the computer or the it's not well spelled, you can edit it and correct it as well. So you wait for it to generate, and this is CapCut. If you are going to use other editing app like InShot, you have to pay because it's a pro version, but this one is a free version in CapCut, so you're not paying for this. All right, so you wait to generate till 100%. So this doesn't take so long. You can see now it is almost done. So once it is done, then it brings you back to the video. From there, you edit or okay, there's just a second. Now it's done. Now this is how the video is going
Alright,
to
so
look
today I'll
like.
be showing you how you can
You can
make your
see
speech to display
these
on
are
the
my
screen.
speech.
Just like what you're seeing
So you
now,
can see
my
it's
speech, what I'm
displaying
saying is
why
displaying
I'm
on the screen.
talking. So, but now you can now change the style. Once you click it, you go to style. There's a style there. From your style, you choose the one that you want to use. So you pick anyone you want to use. Uh, so you select any of your choice. So let me pick this. Okay, so that's as I'm talking, it's displaying it.
Alright, so today I'll be
All right,
showing
so you
you how
can
you
see
can make your
this is
speech to
just lovely. It
display on the
makes
screen.
it makes it so unique that when you are talking, people are just
Just like
reading
what you're
what you're
seeing now,
saying.
my speech, what I'm saying is
So you don't have
displaying on the
to
screen. Yes, this is a
struggle to keep
simple thing to
typing each
use. You
of
don't
your
have to
words.
pay for this. You don't
It
have to
just
use
come
any AI
as you
for
are
it. It is
talking
completely free.
automatically.
So today you will learn how
So
you
this
can do
is
this.
lovely.
And
I
why
believe you
you need to
enjoyed.
learn
So
this is
please,
because it
don't
boosts your
forget to subscribe.
engagement
Don't
with
forget
your
to like.
audience.
Don't forget
Yes,
to share
sometimes they
with
might find it
friends.
difficult to get what you're trying to say.
Uh,
But when you're displaying
and
your
most
speech on the
especially,
screen, just like
please
what you're
turn on
seeing,
the notification bell.
it creates a kind of
So after doing
engagement
this,
with your
because
audience. So
this
today I'll be showing
is
you how you can
CapCut,
do that. So please don't skip
you
any
wait
part
till
of
the
this video
video
because you
or you
might
go to
just
the
miss
end of the
the most
video,
important part that you need
and
to know. If
because
you're new
most
on this
time
channel, if you're
people
not subscribed, do this favor for me.
CapCut
Please
always
hit on the
put
subscription
their
button, like this
watermark at the
video,
end of
and
each
drop your
video.
comment as well. share with
So
friends that it might be of a
you
help to
go
the
to the
client
end
or
of the
the
video,
or the
or
front
you wait till the
or
video has played
you can
finish.
share with colleague.
Then
Sharing is
you, at the
caring.
end of the video,
Please don't forget to hit on the
all right, so
subscribe
you
button.
wait till the end of
So
the
while we
video so
dive
that you
deep,
delete the
we
watermark.
edit
Although it's not a must anyway. It's
how
just
you
to
can
show
see
that
words
your
appearing
video
on
is
pictures.
not just to make it more professional anyway.
So let's
All right, so
let's
here's the end of the video. So you can see this is the video. It's placed so neat, it doesn't have a watermark. So you come here, you click on it and you delete. Okay, so what you deleting is just to show that at the end of the video you don't want it to display CapCut, or you don't want people to even know the editing app you use. Then you export it. Export means you save it, you bring it out, you extract it. All right, so this is so lovely. Please, just like I said, if you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscription button, and then so you wait for it to export. There's still something you need to do after this, so please just hold on. And the reason why you're not using InShot or other features is because those ones you have to pay. For now, CapCut is still making this free, but maybe in the couples of time now they might have to monetize it. All this editing app, they're just trying to make money from some of these things that they do for people. So just take note that this thing is still limited now. So please, if you're not using it, grab it, make use of this advantage. And with this, you can edit your video, play it, and it gives you perfect view of what you want. So even after exporting it, sometimes you might notice that there are some mistakes. Just you'll see what I'm trying to say. Then you can edit it again. You can go back to it and put what you feel like putting, or change whatever you feel like. So here's the video, and the video is done already. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.